Today I'm bringing you guys an exciting video that I've been working on for the longest time. Today I'm bringing you guys a room tour. This is like the happiest I've been with my rooms. This room just represents me and I love how it turned out. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you guys want to be a part of the family. Without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. Oh, hello. Welcome to my crib. So I'm going to be starting with the entrance to my room. So right when you walk in, pretty much get a whole overview of my room. It's not the biggest room, but I think I've managed the space pretty well. This mirror is from Target. It was literally only $10, so I thought that was a really good deal. Moving on to right here in between my door and my tiny little closet. We got this from my school for lacrosse since I'm no longer at the school. They pinned my jersey and like made a little frame and it's so cute and I love it. And right here, tiny little closet. You guys have seen this in videos before. I don't really want to show you because it's just kind of embarrassing. It's so tiny, like it's insanely tiny, but I also don't have a lot of clothes, so I guess that makes up for it. So we're not really gonna go in there. So this wall is actually one of my favorites. I think it was like 2015 or 16 room tour, what my room used to look like when I first moved into this house. Oh my god, it was so bad. Like I don't understand what was going through my mind. I had this really old crappy dresser. I recently got this new one from IKEA, which is so much nicer. It goes with my room and it's just so much easier to like maneuver. Like the drawers are just so much easier. The other one was like breaking. I think I didn't even have like handles on it anymore. This is my dresser. It's from IKEA. It was really cheap and inexpensive. Starting off with right here, I have this little jewelry holder. It's actually from Pottery Barn. I'm not a very big jewelry person. I never really gravitate towards this section. This mirror right here, actually I just recently picked up from TJ Maxx. Such a good deal. I think it was like 40 bucks and I love it. I love the circular shape of it. It really, ties my room together. Here is just a plant. I don't know where this is from. I found it in the house somewhere, so just kind of took it and like put it in my room. Alright, so I apologize for the lighting just because I do have windows right here, so it's really harsh coming in. But this is where I sleep. I love this bed. I love it's in like the corner of my room. My bed is like definitely like my like safe place. I always come here. It has to be comfortable. I pretty much got all of this stuff on my bed from TJ Maxx. Both of these blankets are from TJ Maxx. This pillow is from TJ Maxx. This pillow is from TJ Maxx. Both of these pillows came together from TJ Maxx Home Goods. If you guys are wondering, pretty much all of this is from Home Goods. Such a good deal, so I recommend that place if you guys are redoing your room. Next, I have this little light. If you guys saw my first room tour I put on this channel, it was so bad. I'm pretty sure my mom got me
It was from the mall.
Yeah, it was from the mall. It was like a plastic pendant ball. It was hanging right here and I hated it after I was just so done of having it for a few years, and it was also breaking apart because it was plastic and it was gonna fall off. So I went to Michael's and I actually got this like mason jar and the light for literally under $10. So moving on from this wall of my bed right here, I have this wall. I just have a mirror right in between these two windows. I felt like I really needed something. It was just very plain. So I got this long mirror for like outfit of the day pictures and just like selfie pictures and stuff like that. Also really brightens up and opens up my room because it's like the first mirror you see when you walk in. This was from TJ Maxx as well. I'm pretty sure this one was like $25. This is one of the newer additions to my room. I went to Target and I picked up this. This was $70, I believe, and I love it. I had that idea in my mind that I wanted to do, like fill it with plants and everything, and I will show you guys where I got all this stuff for super cheap. They're all fake plants though because I literally can't keep them alive for my life. So these I got from Michael's. They were like 50-60% off and it was such a good deal. They're just like fake like vines. This plant right here is from Walmart actually. It was like $9, which is such a good deal. My friend got me this M sign. This is from Walmart as well. It has a little bit of like fake succulents in it. This right here is from Walmart and it was so cheap. I also have this little picture that I took of my sister. I found this the other day and I thought it was the cutest thing ever. This is from 2014. Like look how cute you look. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
I have my yearbooks. I also have just a planner from last year and a little book, and also my senior picture. This oil diffuser that a company actually sent me called Vixen, and they have really good oil diffusers and I love the smell of them. And I got these little cute little fake succulent like cactus plants from Michael's. I just found all this stuff around the house. My mom had this downstairs, this little jar that I found around the house, and this was a little elephant that I got from Ross a couple years ago. This is my vanity. This is the last part of my room. Lamp I got from Target, I believe, and then I got this mirror from TJ Maxx Home Goods as well. Moving on to what is on my vanity. A lot of you guys have questions on how I made my vanity. A ton of people. That's like one of the #1 questions I get. And I got this inspiration from Pinterest, I believe. I basically just bought 2 of the Alex 9 drawer sets. That's from IKEA. My dad is like a house builder, so he picked up this like slab of like marble, but it's actually not marble, it's granite, but it's in, I'm pretty sure if you guys were wondering the name of it, it's called Snowball, I believe, and I absolutely love it. This is what it looks like up close, and I love it. I love the contrast of it. So this is basically what my vanity looks like, which I'm in love with. I also have just my computer charging and a planner because I'm very into planning. This is where I do all my homework and my schoolwork and YouTube work, everything like that. I also do my makeup here. And this chair I got for Christmas a few years ago, and it's from TJ Maxx as well, I believe. So in these drawers, I'm gonna go through this really quickly because I do have a vanity tour up on my channel if you guys wanna see that. This is just the everyday makeup that I use. This is makeup that I'd never use and I don't know what to do with it. I'm pretty sure this is for all my hair stuff. I have all my scrunchies and then my hair stuff. This next one's empty, and then the bottom one has just makeup bags and stuff like that. This is all of my schoolwork. This just has a ton of random stuff for summer school in it right now. This is empty. This has all my camera stuff in it, like chargers and earphones and stuff. Drawer is just a ton of random stuff, like pictures and awards. So lastly, from right next to my vanity, I have my hamper. This is from TJ Maxx as well, and I use this to put my dirty clothes in, so yeah. Alright guys, so that is my completed room tour. Alright guys, so that was the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed my room tour. Let me know down below what you guys thought about my room and if you like it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below and join the family. So if you want to check out my social medias, I'll have that link down below as well, along with my dope. If you guys want to follow me on there, I'll link that down below. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys!